Welcome to Algorithm video series. One of the most important facts about binary search algorithm is that it works only on sorted lists and does not work on unsorted lists. Today we'll see why binary search works only on sorted lists. First of all, a sorted list means that numbers are arranged in a particular order, either from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. Here numbers are arranged in a particular order. And in the binary search algorithm, we first find the middle element of the list and compare it with the target value we are searching for. If the target is equal to middle element, then we'll return the index. If the target is smaller than the middle element, we search the left half. If the target is larger, we search the right half. When the middle element is smaller than the target, we know that all elements on the left side are also smaller than the target element. And when middle element is greater than the target element, all the elements on the right side is also greater than the target element. Here we have a sorted list, right? In the binary search, we'll find the middle element first using low and high pointers. So if I take this as low and this as high here, and let's take target, then we'll find the middle element first. Low plus high, truncated division 2. Then we'll compare the middle element and target element. Because here numbers are sorted in a particular order, by comparing the middle element and target element, we'll get to know in which side we need to search for the target element. For example, here middle element is 30 and target is 50. Here middle element is less than target element, right? So if middle element is less than target element, then that means all the elements present in the left side of the middle element is also smaller than the target element. That's why no need to search in the left side. When middle element is less than target element, we'll search in the right side. Now, if middle element is greater than target element, for example, here target is 10. So here, if we compare middle element and target now, middle element is greater than target element. So when middle element is greater than the target element, that means all the elements in the right side of the middle element is also greater than the target element, because numbers are arranged in the ascending order here. So here in the sorted list, when we find the middle element, all the elements present in the left side is smaller than or equal to the middle element. And in the right side of the middle element, all the elements are greater than or equal to the middle element. So this is one of the important fact about sorted elements. Binary search works only on sorted list because the order tells us which side to search. If the list is unsorted, the middle element gives no clue and we can't decide which half to ignore. For example, here you can see numbers. Here numbers are not arranged in a particular order. So that's why we can't apply binary search algorithm. So remember, binary search is fast and efficient, but it only works on sorted list. By comparing the middle element with the target, we can safely ignore half of the list every time, which makes the search much faster. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.